In this video, I will show you how to block adult websites on Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So this is really handy if you want to block adult websites, especially if you're a parent looking to block adult websites because your child uses your PC as well. To do this, all you need to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and then what you want to do is come and click onto settings. Now once you're in your settings, what you need to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. Then what you need to do in the privacy and security section is come and click onto security, and from here all you need to do is simply scroll down the page until you get to the option which says select DNS provider. From here click onto the drop down box which says Google public DNS and just change this to clean browsing family filter. Now what that's going to do is it's going to block out automatically adult websites. To apply the changes, make sure to close down Chrome and restart it, but once you've done that, the clean browsing family filter will be applied, and that is how to block adult websites on Chrome. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.